Do you have pets?
Yeah, we have a pet.
What pet do you have?
We have an American bully.
American bully.
You have Donald Trump as pet?
Just a big kid आके रोज सुबह ए दे पैसा तेरा lunch दे.
You have an American bully. Is that what you said? Is that a breed?
It's a dog, yes. It's a dog.
American bully. What?
Is it a bulldog?
No, it's not a bulldog.
No, and where in Nagpur did you get this American bully?
This. How many BHK flat you have?
2.
And this bully is.
A small one.
It's a small bully.
Small one.
Oh.
You call it pocket size.
अरे
अच्छा।
फ्लैट की बात कर रहे हैं कुत्ते की नहीं.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Maa Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Please welcome our first guest, Aryan Mishra! Congratulations, you're also number 3 top podcast in India. Desi Kaya.
Oh, thank you.
Well done, man. What's the secret? Like, why are we 35 and you 3?
I think your female TG is low. You need to increase that. 70% of our listeners are females. It's the women that
edit
is
kar
going
denga,
up.
So, what did you say is good about our podcast?
A lot of women watch this. Yeah.
But Aryan, welcome. You have some crazy story for us. Is it
Yes.
crime?
It is, one could say criminal elements in it.
Yeah, क्या बात है?
ऐसा कोई crime नहीं.
There are criminal elements in it. वाह क्या बात है.
Sorry. Before you begin, Aryan, do you have people writing into you now saying, ki, "Hey, by the way, I also have crime story."
We have people involved in unsolved crimes
Oh.
that have reached out to us saying this is not the full picture.
Oh.
And currently I'm in correspondence with a serial killer that's not been caught.
I was going to say that as a joke. Like, our killer saying, देख भाई मैं कल murder करने वाला हूँ, तेरे को
I have
पीछे
an
भेजता हूँ.
email thread with a serial killer.
Without naming names.
No. There is, anything I give away, I just...
No, don't say the email service का name. What's the killer's name?
No, can't tell.
How is his grammar?
Surprisingly good.
Surprisingly good. Huh?
It's eerie how... It's scary how good it is.
Do you think he's ChatGPT?
अबे, of
No.
course.
No. He's a
Yeah,
crazy guy.
ChatGPT में डालता
ये
होता है.
gra-
Would you
gra-
like to kill someone else? I could do it in a different voice. हाँ.
Yeah.
Oh, so fuck. So you've been like actually chatting.
Yeah, chatting.
And like, have you spoken to him?
No, I'm begging him to let me
Stop.
meet him.
And you know he'll call you like, hello,
I want to meet
Aryan.
him.
You want to meet him, but you will go with like bouncers and stuff.
I've told him that I'll come alone.
You know,
But just give me a chance.
First mistake of any crime movie, bro. You don't go meet alone.
ऐसी तो मूवी मिलेगा भाई अब कुछ करना पड़ेगा
by
हमें.
the way,
इसको
Aryan,
मैं शूट कर सकता हूँ क्या? मैं इसको डॉक्यूमेंट्री बना दूंगा.
अबे उससे
Either-
पहले वो इसको शूट कर देगा.
either this is
He's
going
not
to
the
be-
shooter type. He's the stabber type.
Oh.
Fuck, Aryan goes to meet him and then season finale.
Desi Crime final episode.
Yeah, no more ads on Spotify. What's up?
No, it'll be and the killer is.
Okay, so this killer, can you tell us anything more about it? Last. Okay.
Honestly, because if I would, you'll figure it out, and I want to make.
Is it a famous person?
No,
You'll figure it out. Means 20
You're
questions.
talking
देगा.
to Salman Khan? What the fuck?
ये कट कर देना ये कट.
इसको रखेंगे. We'll keep this.
No, but he already said his grammar was good. So.
हाँ.
Oh, shit.
माँ कसम.
Right
ये- माँ कसम ये.
Ah, man. Hey.
I did my college in the US, and spring break is a big thing there, where you do the wildest things. You go to Miami or whatever to have a fun time. During spring break, I decided to do something I really like. I love trains. I'm not autistic, but I love trains. And there is 2 of the most scenic routes, according to some blogger, are in the US. It's the California Zephyr that goes from California to Chicago. And there's the Empire Builder that goes from Chicago to Seattle. I'd already done the California Zephyr. It was a 60-hour train, seater class, very expensive because public transport sucks in US. But the views were Fantastic. So I thought, chalo, is bar I will do the Empire Builder. It was supposed to go from Chicago, Seattle. It was supposed to be a 55-hour journey, give or take. Turns out that the train we were sitting in was a new model that was made in California. If you know anything about North US, is that it's not sunny and it's cold as balls. So our train broke down 4 times on this 55-hour route. This 55-hour route turned into an 85-hour train journey, not in a sleeper cabin. मैं ऐसे बैठा था.
You got
80 घंटे के लिए
80 घंटे के लिए.
You got an Indigo experience on a train?
Yeah.
Insane.
Indigo would take 100 hours.
but you had views though.
I had views though, so that's the only one of the saving graces. In fact, at one point in the train, we stopped in this town that you might know, Fargo, right? So our train broke down. We didn't stop. Our train broke down in Fargo. Now, because the train was made in a warm place, it wasn't used to the temperatures of Montana and all these places. So, kitchen heating off, खराब. तो खाना नहीं था ट्रेन में. तो जब ट्रेन रुकी मैंने कंडक्टर से पूछा यहाँ आसपास कोई रेस्टोरेंट है because you've been doing this route for a long time. He said there's a pizzeria in Fargo. So I called that pizzeria up and I said, can you get me a large pepperoni? And they said, yeah, where? I said, train tracks. And so I sent them my current location. Everybody on the train caught on to this. Everybody was hungry. And then you saw these cars, just trucks pull up with steaming piles of pizza. Now in suffering, there is bonding. So we all on the train bonded. Mostly Amish people because they don't fly. So I've
For real? Lots of.
lots of Amish people. The Amtrak is funded by Amish people. वो नहीं होता तो Amtrak नहीं होता.
अबे Amtrak is Amish track.
Amish track.
हाँ, yeah, sure. Not America track, Amish track.
Amish track.
The obvious deduction. And there were a bunch of people from Seattle. Now there's this family, husband, wife, 2 teenage kids that, you know, of the many I end up bonding with. And I am, 20 at this point? And I'm not gonna lie, the mother was kind of cute. I mean, she was what you would call a MILF. Now, I'm 20, okay? My hormones are... And I felt that she was hitting on me.
But she was Amish.
No.
Ah, okay. So it's like
Just a Seattle.
regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was, I think, mature enough to go, maybe I'm projecting. Maybe I am thinking she's hitting on me. She's just saying, hi, how are you? So I was like, Aryan, don't read into it too much. The train never reaches Seattle. We stop in Spokane. They say, हमने आपके लिए buses arrange करी हैं Greyhound की. आपको वो Seattle ले जाएगा. A tangential story, the Greyhound bus also breaks down, so that takes time to come. Anyway,
This IRCTC is planning this route.
yeah.
You will get a Shivneri that will take you from Spokane to Seattle.
Then you get onto a Matsyagandha and finish.
Via Kothurud.
एंड में एक बंदा साइकिल पे आ रहा है सर पीछे बैठ जाओ प्लीज कैरियर पे.
So I'm in the bus. It's very late. I was supposed to stay over at my bua's place. So this mother goes, crash with us. It's too late. They're probably asleep. It's 4 a.m. Crash with us. Now, they have anybody who has a family, kids, I would not assume are serial killers. So part of me went, this will be fine. We reach the house, they give me a room, and it's all fine. I wake up alive, and she drops me off to my aunt in the morning, and everything was chill up to this point. As she's dropping me off, she goes, Aryan, we are throwing a party on Friday night. If you have nothing better to do, come over. I had nothing better to do. So Friday night, I go to party. It wasn't a party. Long story short, I walked into a free love orgy with a small cult that I was completely unprepared for.
Can you make this short story long?
या
तूने ट्रेन के बारे में 10 मिनट बोला मेरे को.
अब जब ऑर्जी में ये लोग कर रहे हैं चलो चुक
जैसे
चुक
और
चुक
जाएगा
चुक
तभी
चुक
होगा।
चुक चुक चुक
Or
I'll just cut this short.
orgy में there was a different kind of train. I can explain that. Oh, hey, oh. Okay, so I walk in. There are like 5 or 6.
weird way to have sex is लाइन में सब लोग बोगी नंबर 7 खराब हो गया है.
Yeah, so I walk in. There are 5 or 6 people. Initially, everything's normal. It looks like a small get-together, and
They are getting together.
Wait, so sorry. So when you enter this thing, it looks like a normal party.
normal party.
To
It's like,
begin
and
with.
I like, yeah, I'm like, I'll be punctual. So they said
Yeah.
7 p.m. I'm there at 7 p.m. So I'm one of the first few. तो सबसे बातें हो रही हैं. They're slowly sort of they're telling me. I'm like, who are you? How do you know them? Oh yeah, we travel a lot together. We attend music festivals together. We're just like we're like a big family. I'm like, oh,
Together.
that's very nice.
They just
Good
keep saying
friend.
together.
Together. Yeah.
Everybody is asking what time did you arrive? I've not arrived yet.
But we're going to come together.
More and more people come.
Oh. Shocking.
Not yet. Arrive. To use a better synonym. And I'm like, क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? And then this guy.
Sorry, but could you sense that the vibe was off?
No, not yet.
at all.
Not yet.
The clothes were on. They weren't
The clothes
like,
were everything was chill. It was like
hello, how are you? What's going
Yeah,
on?
yeah.
The weather is good.
And everybody there knew each other except this one Asian guy who was a gym trainer of one of the other women that had invited him. Okay? There were 2 older women in this group. By older, I mean like 35. MILFs. 2 MILFs of the group, okay? For lack of a better word. And
उस हिसाब से मैं भी मिल्फ हूँ.
What? Muslim I like to funk. हम बोल सकते मेरा दोस्त है.
And I gave permission.
और हमारे पास एडिटर है.
ये रखेंगे.
So me and him are sharing a beer, and the first instance of something being off is we're in the corner having beer, figuring out, what's this party all about, where the woman that invited him strips in the living room and says, everybody line up to spank me. And in that moment we go, holy shit.
Fuck yes.
Yeah.
As a 20-year-old, this would be
Yeah, listen, I'm not a prude. So like, this would have been a fuck yes situation had I known what I was walking into. But it's really like when it's
Yeah.
like the fuck.
Yes.
And so this guy, me and him are like, we have finding solace in each other that, just we are company for each other. And then this woman points to us, goes, come, what are you doing in the corner? Wouldn't you like to participate? And so
Wouldn't you like to
out of
participate?
fear, we got into the line and we did the whatever. And just a spank. Fear.
She's like one of those mothers. अरे बेटा इनको भी participate कराओ. ऐसे क्यों खड़े हो कोने में? आओ डांस करो.
Now their husbands are there watching it.
How do you spank someone out of fear?
No, the mechanics of the spank remain the same. The motive changes. And so now we're slowly getting, what's happening. Drugs now start coming out, all kinds of drugs. And suddenly these 2 women, the one who invited me and the one who invited him, come to us. And they say, okay, we'll be clear with you. This is a free love family. That's what they said.
Free love.
I call it a cult, but it's a free love family. I'm quoting Mark Kasam, right hand Mark Kasam. And you 2 have been hired as the latest pups, quote unquote pups. You are meant, pups are, again, these are their words, young, handsome guys that are meant to serve the lionesses of the family. We are the lionesses.
Shit, you are an American bully.
I was just gonna say that. Just gonna say that.
अबे technically they are the bullies, no?
Yeah. But he was a pup.
And yeah,
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
yeah.
Mostly as an introvert, I feel like I just want to ask you what was your reaction to, like, firstly, women just undressing.
Yeah.
and then finding out all this information. What was going through your mind?
I was honestly like scared. It was scared. Plus, like I was thinking of Bourdain saying to me, "This is what travel is all about. Just experience it. You're a traveler doesn't question the circumstances he finds." So I'm like telling myself that so as to and also running out is scary because I'm like I do want to leave, but if I leave, what will they do? Like how will they react? Because I have sensitive stuff. I don't know. So my brain was going haywire. Meanwhile, this guy was also panicking, the Asian gym trainer. So it's not like somebody was injecting me with bravado. We were both scared.
Yeah. This doesn't vibe with Asian values, no?
Yeah. Oh, brother, it did not. So, I mean, yeah, I danced into a bunch of things with like everybody. And
We have to dance.
Yeah, your sensual dances.
Oh,
lap
ah,
dances.
okay. Not like, आप मुंबई आ रहे हैं. आपके डांस में थोड़ा ये
तो देखो लग
pose
रहा
अपने
है
point.
सुखबीर पे डांस कर रहे हैं सब लोग शादी चल रही है
Wait, so did you run out or what's?
No, I didn't run out.
Under duress, you had to.
Under duress, yeah, that's the caveat. And finally, I at 8 a.m. woke up in a bed with 15 people in it. Yeah.
क्या बड़ा बिस्तर था यार
And suddenly they play "Kya karu, oh lady."
My God, what an amazing.
Crazy. Give it up for Aryan, man. Yes. Nice.
Thank you for having me, guys.
Thank you so much for coming, bro.
So fun.
Insane story. Fuck. It feels like we got a free podcast.
Yeah.
See, now you know why he's number 3. Yeah. मस्त बोला एकदम मजा आया मेरे को.
Yeah.
मैं आँख बंद करके भी सुन सकता था.
उसने भी आंख बंद करके किया था That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.